Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video we are going to see tangy tomato gravy, South Indian style. Let's get into the video. For this we need 4 to 5 medium sliced onion, green chilies, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Finely chopped tomato 5, mustard, jeera, fennel seeds, chana dal, salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and ginger garlic paste. Once the pan is hot, please add the oil 5 to 4 tablespoons. Add mustard, jeera, chana dal and fennel seeds. So saute it for a while until it is golden brown. The ingredients are now golden brown. Add 4 to 5 sliced green chilies, curry leaves. Saute it again for 10 seconds and add the finely chopped onions. Onions should be fried golden brown. If you want, you can cover it with a lid or a plate and cook the onions. Add the required amount of salt now or a little later. If you add the salt now, the onions will be cooked little sooner. Believe me guys, you'll really love this recipe. Now you can add little amount of ginger garlic paste. Maybe it's like 1 tablespoon. Fry it for a while. Close it and cook it for some time. Now the onions are golden brown. Saute it for a while and add the chopped tomatoes. For this recipe, you can take, if you are having 5 onions, you can go for 6 tomatoes because this is the little tangy and spicy gravy. You can eat it with chapati or rice or idli dosa according to your needs. Mash the tomatoes properly and cook it. Close it with a lid and cook it for some more time. Now our tomatoes are nicely cooked. Saute it for a minute. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. You can add spice little less also because we have already added green chilies. Saute it for a minute and you need to add little amount of water because the masalas have to cook and it will not give the raw smell. You can approximately add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Don't make the gravy very watery. try to make little thick. Close it and cook for a while. Once the gravy is cooked, you can add the chopped coriander leaves. Hope you like this video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Catch you on another good video, guys. See you soon.